key. And
I sent him the key. I sent him a spare key.
I've got a lock set in there, so I just popped the door.
Oh, yeah. See, this is.
Yeah. And then, so I was thinking I'd pop the door.
Oh man, I missed it. Missed this thing.
And get it to roll, but then when I drop the drive line, some of it still doesn't. Oh, I gotta make sure I give you the bolt. I got the drive line disconnected right now.
Oh, okay.
They're gonna have to do it anyhow if they're working on it.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
But let me grab you the bolts real quick.
Okay. All right.
Or I don't forget. I've done shit like that before.
Man, I haven't seen this thing. Yeah. Ooh, I hadn't seen this thing in so long. Yeah, the inside is like pretty much brand new. This is for the drive shaft.
Yeah, I just got it. They're used to it. Every time, anytime I think it's towed, you got to disconnect like that.
Oh, okay. These tires and rims probably don't even have 500 miles on it yet.
I believe it. In fact, they thought that they were flat because all the weeds had grown up into them.
Yeah.
And they're over there like, there ain't no air in those things. I didn't touch them, they're still full.
Yeah, they're brand new. Well, they were.
Yeah, the sun will kill them.
Man, I'm telling you. Taking a picture for my wife, recording so she can see it. I do. Ooh, look at that seats. Ooh, look at that boy. Pickup, what do you mean, man? Do I need to get in and press the brake on it, or no?
No, I got it. I think it's going to work.
Damn. Ooh.
The only door open. The other two I wasn't too sure about.
Oh, okay.
Like, you might want some. Well, I think they killed all the bees there, but
Yeah, I can see them.
Yeah.
That's there.
Yeah, they were all over the place.
Man.
Yeah, there's a big nest inside that other door.
I'm gonna keep that one closed then. Little stereo system in there. That's the back. Oh man, comfort. That's what this is, man. Comfort. My wood grain glasses right there. Oh yeah. Get her taken care of, get her secured here, and we'll go from there.